Wow! Incredible! This is fabulous! Hey, Binu! Look at this! This is the cave where Mr. Snake lives! Oh, I love caves! Binu, why don't we go there and visit him today? Oh, but first, we need the right tools for exploring a cave. An umbrella in a cave? That's funny, Binu. Oh, well, maybe you're right. Caves can be very slippy, drippy, and wet. Now, let's see. These, Binu, are fabulous beanie beams. So that we can light up the cave. Perfect, Binu. Now we can both see in the dark. And a rope for climbing and a magnifying glass for looking very closely at everything in Mr. Snake's cave. But mostly for finding Mr. Snake. Come on, Binu. Blankets all blankety. Pillows all pillowy. Patchy patch aboard. Vroom vroom and zoom. Wow! This is fabulous, Binu. Just look at this cave. No, Binu, stop tickling me. What? It wasn't you. It's Mr. Rope. What's he doing, Binu? Wow! That's incredible! Thank you, Mr. Rope! Whoa! Wow! It's so slippery and drippily. Whoa! Oh, Binu. You were so smart to bring this umbrella, Binu. Dripplies are all gone, Binu. Binu, this is just like a treasure hunt. Binu, do you think that Mr. Snake might be, behind that rock? Oh, look, Binu! It is Mr. Snake! Hi, Mr. Snake! My name is Toopy, fabulous cave explorer, and this is my best friend, Binu. We found you at last! Wow! Binu, look! Mr. Rope and Mr. Snake like each other. They're dancing! Hey, Binu, I think Mr. Snake wants to show us his cave. Come on, let's go. Wow, Binu! Look how huge this cave is. Hello! Huh? What's that? Binu, I think Mr. Snake wants us to climb that mountain. Woohoo! Let's try it. Whoa, this is a big hill, Binu, but we're almost at the top. Whoa, did you see Mr. Snake slide? I'm next, I'm next. Here I go. Wasn't that fun, Binu? Thank you so much for letting us visit your cave today, Mr. Snake. Do you think we could come back someday? Wonderful! Oh, hi, Mr. Rope. Another great dance. Well, let's get going, Binu. What's that, Mr. Rope? Binu, Mr. Rope wants us to hold on. Goodbye, Mr. Snake. Thank you, Mr. Rope. Binu, how are we gonna get the rest of the way down? Huh? Oh, Binu, you are so smart. Oh, that was great, Binu. Time for bed. Let's put away our exploring tools. La 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 da doo 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 doo. Nighty night, Binu. Huh? That's funny. The light won't go out. Huh? Oh, hello again, Mr. Rope. Do you want to turn off our light? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rope. Nighty night.